Now let's start with the Middle East. Some of the Middle Eastern books have such poetic names as Reliefs of the Table, about the delights of food and different dishes, or The Substance of Life, or even The Art of Winning a Lover's Heart. And the title reflects the message. The presentation of a dish is as important as its ingredients. All senses are involved. Now the first dish is a very simple dish. We start easily. And it's called the black barida. Barida means, basically comes from Arabic barid, cold, and it's a cold starter. And a barida always consists of a cooked main dish. In this case, I have the pre-cooked chicken, which is simply boiled, nothing else, with a sauce on top. Now, this specific recipe, the black barida, comes from the book of dishes from Ibn Sayyar al-Warraq from Baghdad in the 10th century. And it basically says to make a sauce of black raisins with vinegar. Now, what I have, crushed black raisins, what I do have here is concentrated grape juice, something that here in Puglia goes as vinegar. And so I take some of that. It's rather sweet, but concentrated juice. And then we add some vinegar. Now, vinegar actually is another interesting thing. You have, of course, vinegar, but throughout the medieval period, very popular was another form of acidifier, which is this thing here. It is verjuice, and it's the juice of unripe grapes. We will use this one later. Now we mix, in this case, vinegar. Baridas usually have acidic sauces. Sweet and sour, as we will see also later, is a very, very popular taste combination, both in the Middle East and in Europe. Now we also add some olive oil. Cinnamon. And a little bit of ginger. The original recipe also calls for rue. Now, rue is a herb that was rather popular even from ancient Roman times. It is very bitter, and hence most people nowadays won't like it. And plus, some people react allergically, and also pregnant women shouldn't eat it. So I tend to simply leave it out, just to be on the safe side. Chop a little bit of ginger, and also add this in here. And pour this black sauce over the chicken, and that is essentially already the starter for our feast.